What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. To all the new subscribers, thank you so much. We have about 500 new ones. So welcome to the channel and welcome to what we got going on here. You ready, dude?
Yeah.
Currently, we were trying to figure out why I could not find third gear. So I have my shift selector out. I noticed these were a little loose, so hopefully those springs are just need to be replaced. But the clutch looks absolutely terrible. I got it all right here. Let's slide this over. Like absolutely trash. So I have a new one here that's gonna go in. I'm gonna bring the shift selector to work, because the shift selector gear, which is this guy right there, is another thing I'm going to replace. So I'm going to get those springs for, where are they? Springs here, I think there's 1, 2, and 3, I think. I'm going to get the gear for the shift selector. I have it right here for anyone that needs to know. Here is the part number right there. So that's gonna come to work, and then we're gonna put the new competition twin disc in, because I mean this is one of the some of the worst discs I've ever seen. So I'm sure that's probably why we have a lockout issue. So we're gonna bring all this to work and get this situated, and then I also have a new GoPro. So what I'm going to do with that new GoPro is kind of like the Forza view, if anyone has seen that before. There's a local guy here in Minnesota that does it. So we're gonna see kind of how that looks. So how this GoPro is a GoPro Max, kind of what everyone that I've seen locally and a few people out of state do is so the GoPro Max, you get a like selfie stick that extends, and then you get like a really strong ass mount that will get tossed on the rear window, and you get kind of like a overview of the car, like you're out of the car, or you're kind of like floating it on top. So anyone that's played Forza before kind of knows exactly what I'm talking about, kind of like the aerial view. So I kind of messed around a little bit at work with a Honda Fit that I just sold, and then also a 10th gen Civic Si I strapped the GoPro to, and just messed around a little bit to try to figure out how it looks before I get this clutch back in and get my trans back on and start ripping on my car again. So I kind of want to make sure I have a somewhat idea of what that's supposed to look like while my car is kind of down. So here's a little example of what that looks like. Let me know what you guys think. Let me know how excited you are to see kind of what my hatch would look like from this angle.